Hello everyone, my name is S.Sathwik. I am from CSCD. My roll number is 21BQ1A05K0. In this video, I want to explain about what is tuple. Tuple. In Python, tuple is a sequence data type. It stores group of elements or items. Tuple is similar to list, but the main difference is the tuple is immutable, whereas list is mutable. Once we create a tuple, we cannot modify elements. Tuple is generally used to store data which should not be modified and retrieve the data on demand. How to create a tuple with single element? To create a tuple with single element, we mention that element in parenthesis and followed by the comma. Let us look at the given example. In first one, tuple is equal to 10. Print tuple. The output of tuple is will print as 10. Print type of tuple, it will print integer. According to our syntax, see in the example 2, type is equal to 10 comma, print of tuple, it will print 10. Print type of tuple, the type will print as tuple. We can also create a tuple using range function. Let us consider the given example. T is equal to tuple of range of 2 comma 11 comma 2. Print T. It will print the output as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. In this, the range is 2 comma 11, where the range starts from 2 and ends from 11, and step count is 2. And it is also possible to create a tuple from a list. Let us take a look at the given example. N is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. TP is equal to tuple of n. Print TP. It will print the output as 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. How to access tuple elements? Accessing tuple elements is done by using index or slicing. Let us see the given examples. In first, tuple is equal to 50 comma 60 comma 70 comma 80 comma 90. Print tuple of 0. It will print the output as 50. Print tuple from 1 to 4. It will print the output as 60, 70, 80. Print tuple of minus 1. It will give the result as 90. Print tuple of minus 1 to minus 4 in the step count of minus 1. It will print the output 90, 80, 70. Print tuple of minus 4 to minus 1. It will print the output as 60, 70 and 80. Updating and deleting elements. Tuple is immutable, which means we cannot update, change or delete the elements in a tuple. Let us look at the given example. A is equal to tuple of, A is a tuple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A of 2. We are accessing the third element in the tuple and changing the value is equal to 6. We are printing, suppose print A in the given example. It returns an error. Delete of A of 2. Print A. It returns an error. We can delete a entire tuple by using delete function, but we cannot update or change any element in the given tuple. Let us see some operations and methods on tuple. Let us see in the given picture. Operation length of tuple. Length of, in the place of variable t, we can write a variable names. It returns the length of the tuple. Tuple 1 plus tuple 2. Here the plus operator acts as a concatenation of two tuples. And tuple asterisk n, which means this method is used for repetition of tuple values in a number of times. X in tuple. Return true if x is found in tuple, otherwise returns false. CMP of tuple 1 comma tuple 2. It compares elements of both the tuples. Max of tuple returns the maximum value in the tuple. Next, minimum of tuple returns the minimum value in tuple. Tuple of list. Convert list into tuple. Tuple count of x returns how many times the element x is present in the given tuple. Tuple index of x. It returns the first occurrence of the element x in tuple and returns value error if x is not found in the tuple. Next one, sorted of tuple. It sorts the elements of tuple into ascending order. If we want to sort in reverse order, we have to use a sorted is tossed of tuple comma reverse is equal to true. It will sort in descending order. Nested tuples. Python allows us to define a tuple inside another tuple. This is called a nested tuple. Let us look at the given example. Students is equal to Ravi, CSC 92, Ramu ECE 89 marks, Raja EEE 78. For I in students, print I. It will print as Ravi CSC 92, Ramu ECE 89, Raja EEE 78. In this example, we have given 3 tuples in another tuple. So we can use the nested tuples in this way. Inserting elements in a tuple. Since tuple is immutable, we cannot modify elements in a tuple once it is created. But now we see how to insert a new element into an existing tuple. Let us see the given program. Tuple is equal to 10, 20, 56, 89. Print tuple, it will print the tuple. N is equal to input, enter a new number. Suppose that it will be 59.9. New is equal to tuple of n. Let us take a new tuple, which means I am taking new tuple of n. The value 59.1, 59.9 is stored in the new tuple new. Position is equal to int input enter position number. I am entering the position number 2. Tuple 1 is equal to tuple of 0 to position minus 1, which means 2 minus 1, that is 1, 0 to 1. The tuple 1 value contains 10. Tuple 1 is equal to tuple 1 plus new. Tuple 1 contains the value 10 and the new value contains 59.9. Both are concatenated and stored in the tuple 1. Tuple is equal to tuple 1 plus tuple of position minus 1. The position is 2, 2 minus 1 means 1. Tuple 1 plus tuple of 1 to end of the loop, end of the tuple, which means print tuple. The tuple will print as 10, 59.9, 20, 56, 89. Modifying elements of a tuple. It is not possible to modify or update an element in a tuple since tuple is immutable. If you want to modify the element in a tuple, we have to create a new tuple with a new value in the position of the modified element. Let us look at the given example. N is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Print n. It will print the tuple. E is equal to int input enter new element. Suppose that the element be 88. New is equal to tuple of e. The 88 is stored in the tuple new. P is equal to int input enter position number. Let us take the position number is 3. N1 is equal to, N1 is a new tuple. N1 is equal to n of 0 to position minus 1. The position is 3. So 0 to 3 minus 1, that is 0 to 2. Which will print the value 10, 20. N1 is now the N1 tuple contains 10 and 20. N1 is equal to N1 plus new. The new contains 88 and N1 contains 10 and 20. Both concatenate and the result will store in the N1 tuple. N is equal to N1 plus N of position to end of the tuple. The position is 3, end of the tuple is 5. Both will concatenate and print the result in N. Print of N. The result will come output as 10, 20, 88, 40, 50. In this way, we can modify element in a tuple. Deleting elements from a tuple. The easy way to delete an element from a particular position in a tuple is to copy all the elements into a new tuple except the element which is to be deleted. Let us look at the given example. N is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Print n, the tuple will print P is equal to int input, enter position number. The position number is, suppose let us take 3. N1 is a new tuple, that is equal to n of 0 to p minus 1. Position is 3, 3 minus 1, 2. N1 is equal to n of 0 to 2. It prints the values of 10, 20. Print, next n is equal to n1 plus n of position to end of the tuple. The position is 3. End of the tuple is 5. We will take the values 40, 50 and concatenate with n1. N1 contains 10, 20 and both concatenate and store in the given tuple n. Print n. The output will come as 10, 20, 40, 50. In this way we can delete elements from a tuple. These are some basics about tuple. Thanks for listening.